Hi, so today we are going to learn what is this join method in the Python language. Okay, what does join do is accepts a strings from any iterable object, maybe it be list or tuple or anything string vector of array something, list tuple or something. Uh, then it concatenates them to a new string. Yeah, so let's see with an example. Suppose I have anything like my list. Hmm, maybe let's assume it has some words like hello. Yeah, hello world. Hmm, how are you? uh, okay, that's enough. Yeah, so what do we do is let's make a res object and let's make it as a, let's join it with underscores. Yeah, let's send mylist in this as an argument. uh, let's try and print. Oh, I haven't print yet, just a second. Yeah, so let me check again. Yeah, clearly you can see that we are getting our required output, that's hello world, how are you, and with underscores between them. Let's see other example also. um, let any, let's name this as any variable, like let it be um, what can I name it, let us name it as b maybe. Yeah, yeah, so let's try to make it as, let's try to print all the numbers from 1 to 25. Yeah, so with dash separating between them. Yeah, I can keep the dash here. Yeah, so what does it do is, I have talked about REPR function in earlier video, so please do watch that. What does it do is it accepts a object and converts it to a string. Okay, so in brief I have explained you. So let my I vary from uh, let it vary from 1 to 25 only, because 26 is excluded. Let's try to print our b. Also let us try to print the type of our b. Yep, let's go. I think it would work. Let us see now. Yeah, we are getting a required output, that we are getting numbers from 1 to 25 with a dash separated between them, and we can see that we are getting a string object as an output from this join function. Okay, so yeah, we are done for this video now.